Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today I am going to start the subtract, that is subtractions. Okay. Now in our last lectures I had complete additions. Likewise this is our homework. That is our homework. Questions number 5th and 6th. I hope you had completed. Okay. Now in these sections, that is subtractions. Having the 6 questions, out of 6, 4 questions are done and the 2 questions are homework. Okay. Now see first questions what happened. Here is the subtractions takes place. In both the values, first value subtracted by another value. The value is 1950 paisa subtracted by 1230 paisa. Now see. Here is the subtractions. First is the 20 meter 30 centimeter is subtracted by 70 meter. Now see the first question. This is questions number 3rd. Okay. $20 meter 30 centimeter. 20 meters 30 centimeter is subtracted by 17 meter 60 centimeter. So 20 centimeter 20 meter 30 centimeter is subtracted by 17 meters and 60 centimeter. So first of all do subtractions. Centimeter is subtracted by another centimeter. So we can't subtract 30 centimeter by the 60 centimeter because 30 is less than 70. So what happened? Now 1 meter given to the this one. So here is not a 20, here is only 19 meters is remain. 1 meter is given to the centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. 100 plus 30 is equal to 130 centimeter. So 130, then it's the subtractions takes place because here is the larger value, that is 130. Here is the smaller value 60. Then the subtractions takes place. So 130 is subtracted by 60. The value is 70. 70 centimeter is remain. Now the 19 is subtracted. 9 is subtracted by 7. The 2. 1 is subtracted by 1. The value is 0. 2 meter 70 centimeter. Okay. Now see what is we can't subtract 60 centimeter from the 30. Okay, we can't subtract 60 centimeter from the 30. It is not done. So convert 1 meter into 100 centimeter. Then here is the 1 meter is converted into 100 centimeter. 100 plus 30, 130. Then 130 is then it's easy. 130 is subtracted by 60. Okay. Then the value is, therefore the answer is 2 meter 70 centimeter. Okay. Now see another one. This questions is done. $40 kilometers and 255 meters subtracted by 70 kilometer and 960 meter. So what happened? Here is the kilometer and here is the meter. Kilometer is the largest unit and then the meters. Okay, meter is the smaller unit. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. Do you know? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilo is equal to 1000 meter. So what happened here? See. So here is the 255. We can't subtract 255 we can't subtract 960 from the 255 because 255 is lesser than the 960. So 1 kilometer from the years is given to that one, to that centimeter. So 255 kilometer plus 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 255, so 1255. Okay, now it's easy to subtract. 1255 is subtracted by 960, the value is 295. Okay, now here is the 39. 9 is subtracted by 7. 9 is subtracted by 7, the value is 2. 3 is also subtracted by 1, the value is 2. Now therefore the answer is 22 kilometer and 295 meter. We can't subtract 960 meter from the 255 meter. So convert 1 kilometer into the 1000 meter. Understand, 1 kilometer into the 1000 meter. Now see the another questions. Another questions is what? 35 kg 150 grams is subtracted by 26 kg 470 grams. Okay, now see, this is our kg and this is our grams. Exactly this value is happened here. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So if any requirement, then I convert kg into the gram. So see, here is the 35 kg 150 gram and here is the 26. So here is the 35 kg and 150 gram. So it's subtracted by the 26 kg 470 gram. It's the same case. 150 can't subtract 470 is can't subtracted from the 150. So 1 kg is given by this value. So here remain 34. So 150 plus 1000 equals to 1150. So now the subtraction is takes place because it's easy. It's a larger value than this value. So here the subtraction takes place. 1150 is subtracted by 470. The value is 680. And here is the 34 is subtracted by 26. Now 34 is subtracted by, here 4 is not subtracted by 6. Then take a 1 here. Here is the 14. 14 is then subtracted by 6. 14 is subtracted by 6. The value is 8. 2 is subtracted by 2. The value is 0. So therefore the answer is 8 kg 680 gram. Okay. Now see in our last one. This is liter and this is our ml. So the answer questions is 46 liter 200 ml is subtracted by 38 liter 750 ml. So it's the same case. 750 is can't subtracted by 200 ml. So what happened? So here is also this one. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 1 liter is given by this. So here remain 45 liters. 1 liter is given by this. 1 liter, the 1000 ml plus 200, 12,000 ml. So here is easier to subtract. 12,000 is subtracted by 750. Then the values is 450. Now 45 is subtracted by 38. So here take a 115 is subtracted by 8. So the answer is 7. 3 is subtracted by 3. The answer is 0. Now therefore the answer is 7 liter and 450 ml. Okay. Now the next ones I will done in our last lectures. Okay. Allah Hafiz.